big 8 ball, make a nigga bitch go AWOL. I'm a gorilla, nigga.
What's good? What's good? Hey, fellas. How many of y'all niggas had to deal with a dog? Oh shit, it's an ass of y'all niggas. You ever seen a dog lick a chick in the mouth and the bitch lick him back? Kiss that motherfucker back.
Nasty bitch.
Y'all some nasty motherfuckers. Oh my god. Oh my god, I be ready to throw up. The fuck? Bitch, I ain't, And then you wanna try to kiss a nigga? That ain't rocking. We ain't rocking like that, pimp. I'm sorry, pimp. So these bitches out here treating these dogs like humans, kissing these motherfuckers in the mouth. Call you up to come over and kiss you in the mouth. I know one thing, if I see your ass licking a dog in the mouth, I'm out. Deuces. A dog is like another motherfucking kid. Bruh, them motherfuckers one of the biggest fucking cock blockers it is. You know what I'm talking about? For real. It be some cute little dogs, man, but once they figure out you trying to get some pussy, they cock blocking your ass, B. They cock blocking. Now, you know the chicks sleep with that motherfucker, too. Damn right. Every time you see a pic of the motherfucking dogs, they in the bed with the motherfucker. What person in their right mind want to lay on the bed with dog hairs, fleas, ticks? You know those motherfuckers scrub their ass on the floor. You think they don't scrub their ass on your motherfucking bed? Lick their balls on your fucking bed. They click on your fucking bed. You don't think they hump your fucking pillows? Yeah, you all probably watch this shit and laugh and think it's funny. Motherfucker, then you can call that nigga over to lay on all on that shedded hair and man, nobody trying to have no dog hairs in their ass. I don't took a bitch on a date and a motherfucker had 2 dogs at the house. Motherfucker come and get in my car and her whole fucking coat was black. Her whole coat was full of fucking dog hairs. I'm like, you lucky you cute, bitch. You lucky you motherfucking cute, bitch. Hey, I went over a chick house, right? Cute little dog, man. Cute little dog. Dog was one of the cutest dogs I've ever fucking seen in my life. You know what I'm saying? But that motherfucker don't want you to get none of that pussy, though. As soon as she closed the door, the motherfucker started scratching the door. Non-fucking stop, nigga. I'm like, bitch, get rid of that fucking dog. Get that fucking dog out of here. God damn. I can't do that, Brick. You ain't getting no more visits. I'm sorry. You gotta control your motherfucking animals and your motherfucking kids. I ain't putting up with that shit, Rick. I ain't putting. You know what? Time to take a break and take a motherfucking shot. Yes, sir. Take a motherfucking shot, nigga. Drink some. That shit hitting, boy. Fucking dog, man. Y'all heard what Kel said. You don't want to get with the program, bitch. Buy a dog, die on it. What the fuck y'all finna do? I'm pretty sure quite a few of y'all don't got left because of them fucking dogs. I guarantee you. That shit nasty. Dog in the bed, smelling. You smell like a dog. What the fuck? You want to smell like dogs? Y'all don't wash them dogs' ass every day, like a human supposed to wash their ass every fucking day. I hope y'all wash your ass every day, nasty motherfucker. But let me get back to the story, man. So yeah, so she closed the door. The dog at the door, whining and scratching and shit. Bitch ass dog, man. Cute, but that dog spoiled in the motherfucker. Spoiled that dog, man. Come to find out, you sleep with that dog every night. You sleep with that dog every night. That dog used to sleep with you. The side of the bed I was on, that was that dog's side of the bed. That pillow I was on, that was that dog's pillow. Ain't no motherfucker telling what that dog be doing in that bed, bro. I can't put up with that shit, bitch. Look, you and your dog have a nice motherfucking day. He cute, but you ain't gonna keep no man. You can't keep no man. That's why you got that dog. Dog. So yeah, I'm chilling, you know what I'm saying? I'm dicking this motherfucker down. You know what I'm talking about? You know what I'm saying? Still hear that dog in the background whining and shit. Like, damn. You know what I'm saying? Irritating ass shit. For a long time before I come back over here, bitch, you gonna have to put your dog in a cage or something. In the back room, some motherfucker. Close the bathroom door in that motherfucker or something. God damn. That shit irritating as hell, bro. So, after I motherfucking dick this motherfucker down, you know what I'm saying? She think I'm fucking sleep. I ain't fucking sleep, bitch. I got one eye closed, one eye open. I got one eye closed and one eye open, bitch. You dig? God damn, bitch. Oh, okay. Bro, this shit get on my motherfucking nerve. So, after that, motherfucker think I'm asleep. But like I said, I got one eye open, one eye closed, bitch. You know what I'm talking about? Trust you motherfuckers. So, she hear the dog.
This mug get out the bed. Go get the dog. Bring it in the room with us. And put the dog beside her.
So, she can go to sleep. And the dog can stop hollering. Because the dog used to sleep in the bed with you. And you used to be sleeping in bed with that damn dog. You ain't feel right without the motherfucking. You ain't trying to join the dog with us, motherfucker. Hell no. What the fuck? Hell, y'all. No. Guess what? This dog, the whole night, she wrestling with the motherfucker. Now, because the dog trying to come over here and see who the fuck is on his side. You know what I'm saying? He trying to come and see who the fuck on his side. So, Red, whole night, I'm just watching this motherfucker wrestle with his dog. I said, you ain't gonna get no motherfucker. No, you gotta go to work in the morning. You ain't finna get no motherfucker. I work at night, so I'm Gucci, nigga. She over there wrestling. I'm like, hell, silently. You feel me? Look at this. I'm looking at this motherfucker on the side. I'm laying on the side. I'm looking at this motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? Wrestling with several hours. You know what I'm saying? Trying to keep the dog off your company. You know what I'm saying? Y'all can have that shit. You know what I'm saying? Trying to keep the dog off. Nasty ass. Motherfucking dogs steadily trying to, you jumping up, you ain't get no motherfucking sleep. You motherfucking tired as shit when you wake up. I'm laughing at your ass. Crazy ass. Did that motherfucking dog where he said. So, it's time for me to leave. I'm already got in my head. Shit, I ain't coming back. Hell no, I ain't trying to lay in the bed no motherfucking dog house, bitch. Dog ass and fucking dog ball licking, you kissing dogs and fucking fleas and ticks and dogs scrubbing his ass on the. No, man, I don't think so. I don't fucking think so. I don't want a dog jumping on me while I'm in the bed asleep. Bitch, I'm trying to have a peaceful sleep. You feel me? Vince, it's lonely bitches that can't keep no man that got a motherfucking dog as a comforter. Hey, that bitch a motherfucker choose that dog over you. Promise you. They'll choose a fucking dog over a human. Promise you that, bro. Let it be a choice between you and that dog. Bye, nigga. I'm out. Fuck you. I don't like dogs in the bed. No motherfucking way, bitch.
Down on so dick bust over it. Got me. Cold cut, make a pussy slimy like okra. Make a bitch scream like, oh yeah. Make a bitch scream like, oh yeah. Pour me some wine, here from behind. With that iron, watching her spine. She say it's mine. That be lying. Pour me some wine, here from behind. With that iron, watching her spine. She say it's mine. That be lying.